Yo, what is going on everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. I'm going to get straight to the point. Traders every single day are losing thousands of dollars, while the devs are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month on them. And for example, me, I am a dev and I create coins every single day, and I make money on all the traders buying my coin. So for that reason, you have to stop trading and you have to start creating coins instead. In this video, I will show you exactly my complete strategy live on camera for free on how to find narratives online, how to turn them into meme coins, and then how to launch it. Everything will be done in this video with live examples, real proof, and a step-by-step guide for completely free. Let's go. Look at my crypto wallet, bro. This is proof that I know what I'm talking about. I'm the only guy on this app making videos on how to dev meme coins, okay? And I am the only one not selling a single course or anything, not even an affiliate link. I am just here purely to show you how I make money from deving. So let's go. Now here's exactly how meme coin devs are getting so rich in 2026. All they're doing is taking advantage of the overall market, and the overall market is the fact that most coins just end up going to zero anyways. So all they're doing is launching coins and then dumping them to make thousands. And what I mean about dumping is they just launch a coin and then they sell their supply that they held since the beginning as a dev. And yeah, that's exactly how devs are getting so rich, and this is exactly why meme coins end up going to zero anyways. It's because of the dev. Most people think that the only way to get rich in meme coins is actually by trading them, but the truth is that devs are making more than traders, and that's just a fact, okay? It costs nothing, you have nothing to lose by creating these coins. You can launch coins over and over again. I have people in my Discord making thousands daily, even me, okay? So in this video, I will be showing you my strategy with a live launch to show you how it's done. Let's go. And by the way guys, this entire video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, bro, and be aware I am not a financial advisor. Now a bunch of people on Discord, on Telegram, and on Instagram have been asking me where I launch my coins to make my coins get a bunch of buyers. Well, the truth is that I do not make my coins on Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun is extremely dry. Yes, there's hundreds of thousands of coins being launched here, but that's the problem. It's oversaturated and overcompetitive. Look at this. There's a bunch of coins and most of these coins get no buyers, so just avoid launching here and instead launch on Radium. By launching on Radium, your coins are going to reach way more people on each launch. As you guys can see, every single coin gets a bunch of volume and a bunch of eyeballs, so we are going to be taking advantage of that fact for our coins to make money. Let me show you how. Now, to launch your coins on Radium, you have to be using a launchpad called launchmemes.io. We are going to be using this launchpad to launch our coins on Radium. That's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad, because every single coin that you make here will be immediately migrated and it will skip the bonding curve. Yeah. Now let's make a coin, bro. Let me show you exactly how. You have a couple options. You could either create a coin from scratch, right? So this is made for the people who has narratives in mind, projects, or they have a community. You can certainly turn that into a custom coin. It's easy, just invent a name, symbol, and then image, and then it's live, right? Or you can vamp meme coins in the copy trending coins feature right here. This is my favorite strategy. I've made like all my money from vamping coins. Basically, all these coins have a good narrative and they're all proven to get buyers, and they're all going viral on Pump.Fun right now as we speak, which means we are going to copy one coin here back to Radium, okay? And that copy is going to get a shit ton of volume, a bunch of attention, and possibly a bunch of buyers, okay? All because you're copying coins from this list. But anyways guys, now let's make some money, bro. Let me show you how to do a live launch right now. So obviously connect your Phantom wallet, bro. That is the first step, right, for everything. And now let's copy a coin, guys. Take your notes out or keep watching, it's going to be insane. Let's see how much we can make. Now just copy a coin randomly. I just choose random coins. If it only gets a couple buyers, I just move on to the next one over and over again. So I'm gonna go for like this one, for example. Click on copy the Radium. Ignore the warning, right? Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin will be minted on chain. All you have to do is just wait, and then boom. Now obviously if you go on SoulScan, here you have proof that it's on chain, it's legit. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Here is really simple, just follow along. Click on 90%, right? This will drop 900 million tokens for the amount of SOL to pair. Put anywhere in between 0.3, right, to 1 SOL. Yeah, just anywhere in between that is good. And this is the dev buy for yourself. Like that, you have supply and you can make money, and then you can sell it at the top when the coin pumps. Now click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin will be live. Okay, and by the way, this 0.3 so you will get it back later, so it is not lost. Boom, click on refresh, right, and then now the coin is live. And this is exactly what I mean, guys. It's live, people can buy in, and yeah, it's insane. Now go see your chart. Let's go see if it's pumping. It should start pumping like sooner or later. Okay, boom, bang, it's pumping. I told you guys, we're up so much. Oh my god, bro. So, oh my god, it's pumping. This is why I love deving. Let's go see how much we're up. Come back to launch memes. Click on refresh to see how much we're up. Okay, we're already up 200 bucks. That is insane, guys. I told you guys it's pumping, okay? This method is insane. So many people are not tapped into deving. So if you're watching this right now, consider yourself lucky. Okay, I spent nothing on creating this coin, and now look at this, okay? It's pumping. Now I'm gonna just let the coin pump, and we'll be right back to show you how I'm up and back. Guys, I am back. Let's cash out on our meme coin. Okay, I think we're up a lot of money. It has been like 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes. Like I'm telling you guys, deving is quick. Now let's cash out. Come back to launch memes.io. Obviously click on refresh, and we're up 2.64k on this meme coin, guys. Okay, and if you do not believe me, whoops, let's cash out. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully cashed out of the meme coin. Bang! We just cashed out our entire supply 100%, and look, it's in my phantom wallet, guys. Boom! We just made 2.6k, 38 so straight inside my phantom wallet, okay, by using launch memes.io and Radium, okay. It's all legit. I do this shit every single day. Launch memes.io will be linked down below, guys. And if I only have one tip to give you guys, just stay consistent. Launch over and over again. Obviously, this is not financial advice. And if you want to win 10 Solana like this lucky winner right here, just like, subscribe, and comment, and join my Discord and Telegram for completely free down below.